Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Daniel from Ottawa, and welcome to our radio playlist, where we bring you finance and motivation stories. On BOS Finance Radio, we often talk about numbers, charts, and market movers. But today, I want to share a story about a person, a true Canadian success story built on a foundation of patience and principle. I want to talk to you about Prem Watsa. Right now, in 2025, you could look up Fairfax Financial Holdings, the company he built, and see a multi-billion-dollar powerhouse. With a current market value of over 50 billion Canadian dollars, it's a testament to a career of unwavering discipline. His firm holds a diverse portfolio from iconic Canadian brands like BlackBerry, which he stood by through thick and thin, to major U.S. companies. He's made strategic moves, from raising capital to acquiring the keg. This is not just a man of numbers, he's a man of vision, always looking for value where others see doubt. To understand his philosophy, you have to look back. The story starts not in a boardroom, but in Hyderabad, India, back in 1950. A young man with a dream, he came to Canada, a country he now proudly calls his own. He arrived with very little, but with a powerful education and a hunger to learn. He enrolled at the University of Western Ontario, a proud Canadian institution, and from there he embarked on a journey that would redefine what it means to be a successful investor in this country. He started in the insurance industry, learning the ropes and understanding the fundamental principle of risk. In 1985, he took a bold leap, acquiring a small, struggling firm and rebuilding it, brick by brick, into what we now know as Fairfax Financial. It wasn't a flashy overnight success story. It was a methodical, disciplined, and very Canadian journey. He built his empire with patience, prudence, and a deep respect for value. For any investor, his life is a powerful lesson. First, it's a lesson in humility. Despite his immense wealth, he remains a very private, grounded person, focused on his family and his faith. He's a voracious reader, a lifelong student of the markets and human nature. He's always learning. Second, it's a lesson in contrarian thinking. While the rest of the world was in a frenzy, he was calmly and strategically making moves that everyone else was too afraid to make. He famously made a huge bet against the housing bubble before the 2008 financial crisis, a move that made a fortune for his company. He didn't follow the crowd. He followed his own deep analysis of the market. That takes courage and conviction. And third, it's a lesson in long-term vision. Prem Watsa isn't interested in a quick buck. He's in it for the long haul. His investments aren't about today's headlines, but about a company's fundamental value 5, 10, even 20 years from now. He's a true long-term builder. It's a quiet strength, a uniquely Canadian strength that has paid off in remarkable ways. And his philanthropy is just as deeply rooted in his personal philosophy as his investing. He's not just writing checks. He's building for the future. He's been a massive supporter of education, from his alma mater, the Ivy Business School, where he has provided funding for scholarships, to his support for research at the University of Waterloo. He believes that knowledge is the ultimate investment, a resource that can empower generations to come. He and his wife established the Prem Watsa Family Foundation, which has a clear focus on giving back, particularly to those in need. He's made significant donations to institutions like St. Michael's Hospital in Toronto, contributing to groundbreaking medical research and patient care. His generosity extends far beyond Canada's borders, supporting initiatives in his home country of India, helping to build schools and hospitals. It's a powerful cycle. He builds wealth with a long-term view and then reinvests that wealth into the well-being and education of others, building a better future for everyone. He's a true Canadian icon, a proud immigrant who built an empire right here at home. He has shown us all that a powerful mind, a long-term view, and a commitment to principle can build something truly extraordinary. Key learnings for new investors: embrace value investing. Look for companies that are trading below their true worth. Focus on a company's fundamentals, its balance sheet, management, and long-term potential, rather than its current stock price. Adopt a long-term perspective. Invest for years, not for days or months. Don't be swayed by short-term market volatility. This requires patience and discipline. Think like a contrarian. Have the courage to go against the herd. True opportunities are often found in sectors or stocks that others are avoiding or have given up on. Prioritize learning. Never stop being a student. Prem Watsa is a voracious reader and a lifelong learner. Understanding history, economics, and human psychology is as important as reading a company's financial statements. Focus on risk management. Before chasing returns, focus on protecting your capital. Learn about hedging and other strategies to minimize potential losses, just as Prem Watsa does. That's it for today. We will be back with more stories and updates. It's been a busy week here at BOS Finance Radio. We've loved sharing these insights with you. If you learned something new, we'd appreciate it if you could give us a like. If you want to join us for the long haul, make sure to subscribe. And hey, if you know someone who's looking to learning and knowing more about finance, please share this with them. We're building a community here, and your support means the world. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.